Well, ahead of the assembly elections in Maharashtra later this year, a massive row has erupted over the irrigation scam probe report. The Madhav Chitale committee report, which was tabled in the state assembly. Now the government claims that it gives a clean chit to Ajit Pawar, but the opposition says it indicts the deputy chief minister.
The irrigation scam in Maharashtra continues to haunt Ajit Pawar. The Madhav Chitale committee report was tabled in Maharashtra Assembly on Saturday amidst huge roar. The Chitale committee was appointed by Maharashtra government following the allegations of a 70,000 crore rupees scam against Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar held the Water Resources Ministry for much of the last decade in the state. Soon after the report was tabled in Maharashtra Assembly, the government claimed that the report had given a clean chit to Ajit Pawar.
The responsibility has been fixed on the CAFO, who is responsible to check the files and then recommend it, because it is settled at the level of the executive director and the CAFO. It does not have the minister in picture.
Only because of they want to just create something like that. So they said that 70,000 crore scam is there. Till the date, till the formation of the state since 1952, the total expenditure till up to 11-12 was 70,000 rupees. So how the scam can be there?
7 type of irregularities and corruption.
But on the other hand, the opposition claims that the report indicts Ajit Pawar. The BJP has also sought narco test on guilty officers named in Chitale committee report and resignation of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar.
It directly indicts the minister. What it says is that in certain cases, the governing council is responsible, the members and chairman of governing council is responsible, and appropriate action should be taken against them by the government. Now, who is chairman of governing council? It is the minister who is chairman of governing council.
Chitale committee had clearly said it is highly impossible to believe that whatever the officers have done, they must have done without the knowledge of the minister of government. It means Chitale has clearly indicated whatever the things have been done are with the knowledge of the minister. The concerned minister who was that time Mr. Ajit Pawar, Deputy CM, should resign is our demand.
Headlines Today has accessed the Chitale committee report, which runs in 2 volumes of 600 pages each. The report hasn't named any politicians, but it has found faults in the irrigation sector. The probe panel has, however, named some government officials in the report. The report raises suspicion about cost escalation and also slammed project approvals without finalizing design.
While the government says the ministers have got clean chit, the opposition says that only bureaucrats are being made the scapegoats. But in the tug of war between the opposition and the government, the main issue of why Maharashtra remained parched for years still remains unanswered. With camera person Samir Shanbag, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for Headlines Today.